in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this Apple ID has not been used in the iTunes Store error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now at the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Your Face ID will be enabled. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Here, make sure you have a valid payment method added, such as debit card, credit card, or PayPal, and confirm that the billing address and card details are correct. Even though most apps are free, Apple still requires this information to verify your account. Once you confirm this, you can navigate back. Now scroll down and click on the option Sign Out. Click on Sign Out but don't erase. Wait for a few minutes and then sign in back. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.